Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Rahul here, and today I am going to show you how to draft command in Creoparametric 5.0. Okay, and first of all I would like to tell you, if you are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe my channel so that you can get all the notification of my channel. And if you wanted videos on each command of the Creoparametric separately, so you can get in my channel. Okay, I will give the video link in the description box. Okay, so let's get started, and today we will cover this much points. So let's get started. Click on file, take this new file, untick this, click on OK, click on millimeters, and next maximize this. Click on sketch, select the plane, click on sketch and normal it. Okay, next take this center rectangle, draw it over here like this, click on OK, make it extrude and extrude it on both the sides of the plane. Okay, click on green mark. Our object is ready to perform various operations of draft. Okay, so here is our draft command. Click on this draft command. First of all, we have to select the surface individual. Click on the surface. Next, click Control key on your keyboard and select this surface. Okay, and next we have to select the surface which should be hinge. Okay, so click here to add item and click on this surface. Okay, now here you can see or observe one angle is created of 1 degree here. This is the draft angle. Okay, and this is the, and here you can see there is an arrow. This is the draft arrow, or you can see this is the draft angle. You can drag it or you can change this angle. Okay, now this angle is now 12 degree and it is drawn, or you can measure from this vertical axis. Okay, so this is called as draft direction or pull direction, or this is the draft angle. And we set this surface as a hinge so that these two surfaces can change according to this angle. Okay, now next from here you can also change the direction. Here you can see reverse pull direction. If you click on this, here you can see the material is added. If you click again on this reverse pull direction, the material is removed from the below side. Okay, here you can see. You can also control it from here also by clicking on this arrow, and next go here. Here you can see this dot, right click it. You can add the angle in this also by making it variable draft, so that you can generate a variable draft. Click on this and drag it up to this corner. Okay, and drag this point also up to this corner, and you can control or modify like this. Here you can see the changes. You can change the drag angle like this, or if you wanted to change it, you can click on this and put the value over there 45 like this. And next you can also change the draft angle of this end also like this. Okay, and you can add one more angle. Just go here, right click and add angle. Here you can see one more angle is added to middle sides like this. You can drag inside and outside, and you can put angle over here. Okay, like this. And next, if you wanted to delete this angle, click on this delete. And next is You can select the multiple surfaces. For this also, click the control key, and or instead of control key, instead of pressing control, you can select the surface also. Okay. Okay, this is about this. And next, from here you can see in the reference, here is a draft surface, individual surfaces are here. If you click on the detail, okay, so you can remove the surface from here also. If you click on this, right click this and remove this and click on OK, so it will remove the surface which has been drafted. Okay, if you wanted to make multiple drafts, so that click the control key on a keyboard and select the surface like this, and again click the control key on your keyboard and select the surface also like this. You can generate multiple drafts on the object. Click the control key and select this surface like this. You can create the multiple drafts, and you can control from this here, from here also, like this, by dragging the angle, or you can put the angle also like this. Okay, and next click on the details. Here you can see the all surface. I have selected all the surface. If you wanted to delete it, click on this and remove and OK. Here you can see the draft on this side is deleted by the system like this. And next, from here, this is the draft hinges. If you wanted to change the draft hinge, so you can change from here also. Click on this. Now what is the means of this plain one? Okay, it means this is the pull arrow or draft arrow. Okay, if you right click on this, remove it, and you can make this edge as a pull edge like this. Okay, again click here, right click, remove here, and click on the surface. So here the arrow is generated, and this angle of draft which is measured from this vertical arrow. And next, here is the pull direction. You can flip the direction also. Okay, like this. Click on green tick mark, and next delete this. Okay, and next we have perform this draft on multiple surface also. Second is hinge surface and hinge angle. We also see what is the hinge angle and what is the hinge surface, and reverse direction, add a material and remove material. We also see. And next, pull direction. We also saw the pull direction also. And next, what is the application of the draft in industry? In most of the industry which are perform the operations in die forming or casting, forging, or plastic formation, in that industry, this command is very useful. And next, the split surface, open sketch and close sketch, we will see next. Okay, now again click on this draft, select the surface individually. Next, click the control key on and select the surface, and next click here to add item and click on this surface. Okay, and change this hinge angle little bit. I'm making it as a 40 degree. Okay, like this. Now we also saw the reference. What is the reference? Draft surface, draft hinges, pull direction. Next is the split. Okay, if you wanted to make the draft by splitting, it means if I wanted the draft should be takes place from this plane, so click on this plane. Okay, now this draft is control. If you can add and you can remove drill from upside or below side like this. And my hinge plane, this is the hinge plane, and across this draft command is working like this. Okay, now this is on no split. Here are two types of split: split by draft hinge and split by split object. First of all, we will see split by draft hinge. Okay, so for this I have selected this middle plane. You can see in this green highlighted plane, this I have selected this plane. If you click on this split by draft hinge, so my draft hinge is this plane, so that it will change on both sides. If I wanted to make the changes from this side individually and this side individually. Okay, so you can control both the draft side. You can put angle over here. I'm gonna put 15 degree. You can put over here and control and edit, modify the dimension according to your custom requirement. And next, here is the option draft side independently. We saw independently, and next draft side in this is the draft side dependently now. Okay, if I wanted to make the changes simultaneously in both the side, so you can put the hinge angle over here on draft angle, and you can get the changes simultaneously or dependently. And the third one is draft first side only, so you can change only one side like this. And next, move towards draft second side only, so in this only second side is active. You can make the changes in second side only. Okay, now here is the last one, split by split object. Okay, so for doing this operation I wanted to make some changes in this drawing. Click on close, yes, click on draft, click on the surface individually. Next, click the control key and select the surface and click here add to atom. Click on this surface as a hinge surface. Change this hinge angle or draft angle like this. Click on this green mark. Okay, now again edit this option, go to slit and click on the split by split object, and we have to define that object. So define, I wanted to define on the surface. Select the plane or surface, sketch it, and next click on sketch view and take this line and draw this line from here to here. Click the middle cursor away from this drawing, again click it, dimension will be automatically generated by the system. Click on OK. So here you can see the changes in the object. Okay, by performing here this split by split object. okay, and you can control like this individually, like this. And next, these are options same. Draft first side, if you wanted to make changes in first side, so click on this first side. You can change the draft or hinge angle only of the first side by dragging here like this. And you can also change the rotation of this like this from here and from here, okay. Now click on draft second side only. Now in this second side is active and this side is not active, so you can change only this side like this, okay. If you wanted to rotate, you can rotate or flip the direction like this. And this is about split by draft, split by object. But this object which drawn by me was only a horizontal line, or we can say it as a open loop drawing, okay. Click on this green mark. Now I wanted to use closed loop drawing, so first of all you can go here, edit definition, and next go to split, edit, and normal sketch. Click on this line, delete this line, and next you can create the closed drawing structure like this. And click on this OK. Here you can see this is the closed drawing, and you can control from here like this, okay. Here you can see clearly this is my hinge surface, so that there is an angle of 58 hinge angle, and you can control from this side like this, and this goes to 0 angle. You can add a material and you can remove material also like this. Okay, now this completed. Form the split, all the splits in this. Click on the clothes, yes. Right click on this draft one and delete this, okay. Now what is remaining in this? We also see variable angle, adding angle also, variable angle also, split surface, open sketch and close sketch also. And we didn't see extend intersect surface and extrude loops. Now the two things are remaining, so we will focus on this now. First of all, extend intersect subject. So for doing this operation we have to make some little bit changes in this drawing. So first of all, select the first surface, extrude it, select sketch view, and take the corner rectangle from here, okay, and draw it over here like this. Click on OK. You can see the object is generated. Click on this green tick mark and next click on the draft, okay. Select all the surfaces of this side, first one, second one, third one and fourth one, okay. Now I was selected these individual surfaces and I wanted this top surface as a hinge surface, so click on here, click here to add item and click on this top surface, okay. And here the draft is generated. You can control the angle like this, okay. Now you can observe this extrude or draft comes outside of this bottom block, okay, but I wanted it should be relative or intersecting to this below block, okay. So for doing this operation, first of all go in options, and here is the one option, extend intersect surface, okay. So click on this, here you can option intersect surfaces are generated according to my x2, okay. Click on this green tick mark, and here you can go, or you can see the object is generated, okay, like this. Now this is also done. Click on top one, delete it, click on ok, and click on x2 and delete this. Next, what is remaining, x2 loops. Now for learning about x2 loops, we also wanted to make the little bit changes in drawing. Click on the first surface, click on sketch, normal view, and next take this circle, draw it over here like this. Again take the circle and draw here over here like this. Take this rectangle and draw it over here, okay. You can take any drawings like rectangle, ellipse, and I'm going to take this ellipse also. Okay, click on this, click OK, and make them extrude, and change the direction of extrusion from here, and make that extrude through, and remove the material, okay. Click on this green tick mark, and we are going to use shell command over here. Click on shell command, select the first surface. So here is the, you can see the effect of shell command, okay. Click on this green tick mark, and next click on draft and select this surface, this one, and next click here to add item and make this surface as a hinge surface. You can control hinge angle or draft angle from here like this, okay, or like this. But I wanted these two circles should be at this position, this original position, and I wanted to be excluded area with draft. So for doing this, here you can learn exclude area with draft, okay. So for doing this operation, click on exclude loop here. Next, select this circle, press Ctrl key like this, press Ctrl key and select this one. Here you can option the changes. Click on green mark and your object is ready, okay, like this. And our video is completed. Thank you very much for watching my video, and follow my channel. If you have any suggestions about my video, you can comment in comment section, and if you like it, share it to your friends. Thank you, friends.